Handling your finances and keeping track of where all the money goes is hard, right? But guess what? It doesn't have to be. You can start feeling in control of your finances simply by learning from your own spending habits. Luckily, N26 is here for you. With N26 Statistics, you can get valuable insights from your spending habits, and these can help you develop better spending habits. It's all circular. So sit back, relax, and let's take a look at what you can do with N26 Statistics. So, how does it work? Basically, N26 Statistics sorts your transactions and displays the findings. Expenses are automatically split into meaningful categories that help you understand your own spending patterns better and find opportunities for improvement. For example, if you send a money beam with the reference text lunch, N26 will label it under the bars and restaurants category. If you feel like a category doesn't fit, you can easily change it by selecting the transaction and choosing a category from the drop-down list. N26 has also added default tags for transaction times, for example, #weekend, types of transactions, #subscriptions, or purchase locations, #Berlin. You can further sort your transactions by adding your own hashtags. Tap on a transaction and then the pencil icon to add tags, such as #worldtrip or #everymonth, or remove unwanted tags. So that's the labeling process. Now let's look at how this can help you save money. With N26 Statistics, you can compare your monthly expenses, analyze your habits, and modify your behavior as needed. N26 Statistics offers an overview of your recurring monthly payments to keep better track of your regular expenses, plan your month, and make sure your account balance always gets an A+. With N26, you can adjust your behavior in real time instead of waiting until the end of the month. You'll be able to monitor your expenses in the current month and compare with your average spend across the last 3 months. You can use the 3 most relevant categories like restaurants, food and groceries, and shopping. Essentially, it's about taking smart control of your finances. Sounds good, right? You can find N26 Statistics in the top right corner of the mobile app. And if you find it easier to use a bigger screen, N26 Statistics is also available in the web app. Remember, your financial wellness is a marathon, not a sprint. If you're struggling with your finances, aim for small victories along the way. Don't expect to transform your habits overnight. If you have a lapse, don't stress. Just go back and get back on track. For more money-mindful tips, head to n26.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel to become more mindful of your cash.